People are asking, now that you're transitioning out of politics, having sat in Parliament for nearly 20 years, does this mean that you are no longer going to be contributing to your country, Jamaica? And the answer is no. That will never happen. Since I was a teenager, I've been an activist for my country. I believe in my country. I'm Jamaican first. And even though I will perhaps not be sitting in Parliament, I will continue to work in the best interest of my country. And that's why I'm doing more work through the Hanna Foundation with women, with children, not only to help small communities with small water treatment plants and women with, mental health assistance and several other initiatives under the mission of my foundation. But I will also be traveling, and whatever I can do to assist, our people of this country, that will never stop. I mean, there are things that I do believe in that are sacrosanct. I believe that we need to increase and improve our value chain for export using our agricultural products. I will always say that. I believe we need to increase the purchasing power of our people so that they can live a better quality of life for their children. I believe that we need to solve the mental health issues and the socio-cultural, psychosocial issues that many of our people face to help reduce the crime and violence in our country. I believe that we need to reduce the kind of femicide, the killing of women through domestic violence, and I believe we need to end the visceral poverty that many of our women face because they just didn't get a start in life. Those things don't go away because I'm leaving Parliament. They actually get accelerated because I'm in a better position now to not only travel and leverage my contacts globally, but I'm also able to work with both sides of the aisle because I'm not sitting there on one particular side to have the best change going forward. So the answer is no. I'm not giving up on my country. I'm Jamaican first. I will always put Jamaica first and certainly see how all of us as people living in this world, as human beings that want the best for our people, will continue to work together because we're at a tipping point, I think, globally now that people no longer want this kind of political division and this kind of tribalism. I personally believe that also both sides need to come together and find what is in the best of both sides and work together in the best interest of moving this country forward. And I hope that's something in my lifetime that I will be able to see.